So I'm going to start with you. I know that you all are on this journey. You're plowing a path. For the listening audience out there, since you've sort of been there and done that, at least some of it, what's that your sort of top one or two lessons learned that you'd like to impart on the community?
Yeah, it's a great question. And we actually have a publication on this on our website. If you go to the PO Digital website, we have an innovation adoption kit, which talks about our thinking in this area. So one thing we really try and do is make sure that we have a standard way to talk about things. We did not have a consistent way to talk about capabilities and products and services, and we call them different things. It makes it very hard to focus on the new and kill off the old and assess value, essentially to check your spelling when you can't agree on the alphabet. So having a standard way to talk to each other is a kind of a prerequisite. We talk a lot about our technology investment horizons. We tend to, especially in DoD, focus on things at scale, long-lived, very mature, where we can say over a 2 to 7 year budget horizon, precisely what it'll cost to deliver precisely what, and that we can analyze on the front end 100% of risk. That's not the way to foster innovation, and these tech horizons help us create a safe space. In Horizon 3, we look at other people's money, which is the best type of money. So things, that DARPA is doing that might be of interest. In Horizon 2, we put our own money and we start to pilot. And so that learning by doing, that earning the scale is really critical because all the front end analysis, all the paper analysis isn't really going to pass muster. There's so much amazing commercial tech, and oftentimes the government buys the right solution and trips on the integration and the interoperability. So we have to start small, do those pilots, have that lean startup mindset, and that gives us a safe space to fail forward, to learn, and to get better. And finally, we really ask industry to come to us and pitch these pilots in terms of a lean business case. We publish our world-class alignment metrics, how we measure value, just 5 areas, and say, tell us, you've worked with other federal agencies, you've worked with the civilian sector, tell us how you're going to improve customer experience by 40% or cut cost by user by 15%. And we keep it short and simple and get right to the pilot.